Somebody help me. Shove
Cosplay Beach Day!
Yeah, there's a pocket on that side.
Here at the beach today, we are doing a Cosplay Beach Day with some friends, and I am Peko Pekoyama from Super Dangan Ronpa 2. I'm also helping to co-host the event today, so I'm going to be running around doing a lot of stuff. I won't be running around as much as those random kids on the beach though. I'll be going crazy running around like kids on the beach. Oh, but yeah, it's really nice out today. I'm happy that we had some good weather and that it's actually sunny out for once, because it's been really bad weather as of late, but I am very happy that we have decent weather today, and we're going to be getting the ball rolling and getting a few events, so I am very excited for that, and I'll probably do some more vlogging throughout the day, so I hope you enjoy the view of the beach from my perspective. The vlog within a vlog. Woo! Vlog within a vlog. Woo! Sakura Blossoms. Woo! We're vlogging in the vlog. Hi Cosplay Mama, want to say hi to YouTube? Hello. You want to say hi? Yeah. You're on YouTube. Yeah. On YouTube. I'm gonna go by Rackmack and shoot. Yo Rackmuck. You're on YouTube now. Dun 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 dun. It's a wild mofu. Who's recording? It's a vlog within a vlog. Within a vlog.
Vlogception.
I wonder if I can get both of us. My arms are too short and stubby for this. Yo, oh my god, yes, your arms are longer. Yes! Yo, Spufflez here at the Ember Within Cosplay Beach Day. It's actually nice outside this year. I'm so happy. I have to go get the watermelons, but I'll do more vlogging and take pictures later, because I definitely need to take pictures. But yeah, a vlog within a vlog. Wait, you have to get at your camera too. A vlog within a vlog.
Well, I stopped recording because you guys were recording me recording.
Yeah!
Nikki!
My Spufflez Jr. at the beach today.
Oh, that's so bright out.
You should put your sunglasses back on. It's okay, you can hold one. Yeah, we're taking pictures by this lovely water tree with this beautiful. There's another water tree, but Angel Fox is using it right now.
Angel Fox is in your guard. Angel Fox is hiding.
Yo, you're going to jail now. You're going to jail.
Cosplay not consent.
Even though there's probably video.
No, it's okay. I'll just stick that on Patreon only.
You have to subscribe to Angel Fox Patreon, $200 tier to touch it.
Wait, Angel Fox.
You guys look awesome.
Angel Fox. Yeah. $200 Patreon. Just kidding.
Hey, I'm here.
And if you want the booty shot, that's $250. $250. I can't.
Peko, can I go on?
Go for it. May the force be with you.
I don't know what I'm going to do with this vlog.
That's a lot of butt.
You're going to get arrested though. You're going to get arrested. Ichino. Good chick. Yo, only at Cosplay Beach Day.
Oh no.
Goat, do you want to say anything? Hi, we have a goat. Goat is just being a goat.
Goat is confused.
My sweat is going into my eyes and I can't see.
Yeah, it is.
The poor goat.
It's not mine though, it's Raymond's.
Goat is sad.
Yeah, well I think he did kendo. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do some more pictures over here. I gotta take pictures of the wonderful Ember Within, my beautiful Spufflez Jr. Alright. Good shit. I mean H-Cos Cosplay. and Midi Mayo, who's actually in cosplay while I'm recording.
I'm tired.
And then StarDreamer, who's not in cosplay.
I gave up.
I'm sorry.
Straight!
Oh. We're doing that watermelon smashing right now. The beach day was fun. The cosplay contest went well. The group photo was great. I'm just like super tired out, and I'm probably gonna not really vlog anymore. Oh, there's my camera guy walking behind me. Oh boy, camera boy. Oh, now more people walking behind me. Oh yeah, best part of my vlog. Yeah, everyone, Cosplay Beach. No one appreciates me. No one likes my puns. You want to be on YouTube?
I'll be on YouTube.
You want to be on YouTube? This vlog is gonna be so shitty. Hi YouTube.
What's up YouTube?
Welcome to Cosplay Beach Day, but it's like over almost because all the events are over and it's like, what time is it? Like 4 something?
It's rain time. That's
It's like rain time, so like we gotta jet out of here, but I had fun today. Wait, I'm gonna go this way. YouTube! 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 Yo! More vloggy vlog with the lovely Angel Fox. It's the end of the day and
What up, memes?
What up? Angry
Sorry.
Go Cosplay. No, it's all good. Oh, hello. But we are gonna head out soon. I have no idea when the heck I'm gonna head out. I am so freaking exhausted. You could probably track the progression of my exhaustion throughout this video from like the first minute to like wherever the fuck this
First clip you see me
Oh, wait,
in,
no, I
compare
can't.
that till now, and then you
Yes, but today was fun. I'm glad that I got to do Cosplay Beach Day things with some of my best buddies. So I'm happy that everything went well. So I'm just happy,
No
but I'm
problems
tired.
this
No
year.
problems.
The weather held out. Everything was
Yes, and we got the booby touch.
Weather's even holding out
The
now.
booby
We could
touch.
probably sit here for a little
Too
while
lewd
longer.
for YouTube. Sorry, YouTube.
Sorry, that's
Censor.
Patreon, $250 tier.
No, 550.
$550 tier, and that includes the booty shots.
I'm just kidding. But enjoy one last shot of the beach, YouTube. And Angry Goat. And more beach. No swimming. The beach is closed. Thanks for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. My next video should be in a few days, so I hope you enjoy that too. Thanks so much for watching.